Lodge, Kidani Village now. This one's our room here, 7515. Let's go in. Right now, this is the kitchen area bit with a sink and a fridge. And then if we go through to here, right, turn all the way on, which is here. So we've got the bathroom, and through there we've got, oh well, that's the toilet bit there, and then behind the curtain is the shower. Then if we go around we've got this bed, and then we've got a couch with a fold-out bed as well. And then we've got a nice TV here, and the Hey Disney. Got the balcony over here. And yeah, that's my room. Bye. And that's just a little thing if you were staying here. That's just what the rooms look like. Bye.